First look and first ride out of the store, the GT Avalanche 2021 Elite. Let's go for a short ride. Good morning, guys. So just to point out a few of the changes the 2021 Avalanche from GT has. I mean, the website still shows the 2020 model, and there are no official specs out, but here in Israel for the last month or so they've been selling the 2021, and there are some significant changes. Let's look at them. First thing is the bar. The bar has been bumped up from 740 to 750 mil. You see that? Front fork is now 130 millimeter of travel. Same Suntour XCR, but with the 130 instead of the 120. They did cancel that front derailleur mount. It used to be here. Like if anyone goes a 1x, they'll go back to a 2x. I don't think that'll happen, so they canceled it. Rear derailleur is now Dior and not SLX. The cassette in the back, the largest sprocket, I think is now a 51 tooth. At least that's what the guy in the store said. I didn't count it. We'll see when the official specs come out. Not sure about this quick release. May have been changed or not, but it's here. Front shifter is Dior too. No more SLX. No spec level written here on this orange stripe like it used to be in the past. And the colors, of course, that mossy oak or mossy green that used to be here on the chainstay is now orange. Really nice the way this orange blends here on the seat stays. I like it because it matches our Spark 960 black and orange bike.